To create a group state, start by dragging a state into Workspace. Now right-click on the state and select the group option or press Ctrl G. This will create a group around your selected state. Now you can add multiple new states to the group and name them as per your requirement. Once you bring a state into a group state, you cannot bring it back outside. It is an irreversible process, but you can delete it by pressing the delete button. Do not introduce space or special characters while naming your state or group state. Transitions can be added between the states inside the group. Transitions can also be added from a state inside a group to another state that exists outside. Transitions can also be added from a group state to another state. You cannot combine two group states together by overlapping one over the other. Trying to do that will only increase the size of the group state.